Alrighty, so for the next kit, we have the Color Protection and Gray Coverage for dark brown hair. And this kit comes with three items. Two of them are from the GK Color Protection Shampoo and Conditioner, which will help nourish your color, nourish your hair, and keep it super vibrant. And also, this brand caters to anyone that has any issues with having their hair being dry, brittle, damaged, frizz, you name it, it will take care of it. So you're going to be using the shampoo and conditioner every time you wash your hair. That can be every day, every other day, or just depends on your personal preference. Once your hair is washed and styled, then that's when you want to go in with the root conceal. You can use this root conceal every day or just whenever you need to step out the house. This root conceal gives it an airbrush look, so you want to make sure that you spray it from afar, not too close. So when you spray it from afar, it blends in evenly and it blends effortlessly. This root conceal will not stain the scalp, it will not stain your skin, and it will not drip even if you sweat. So you don't have to worry about that if you're working out. These three items are really good and they're really light and safe. Everything, and we make sure that it doesn't have no parabens, no sulfates, because we want to make sure your hair is clean. So this root spray can last up to 4 weeks to help maintain the sparkles disattainment. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a text or a call.